So you're thinking about buying a steel building. You like the flexibility, durability, and versatility that they offer, and you're ready to take the next step. But how complicated will this process be, and who should you trust? This is a once-in-a-lifetime purchase, so you want to make sure you do it right the first time. Don't risk your project on an unknown source. You need someone you can trust that'll get the job done on time and on budget. Armstrong Steel is the leader in pre-engineered steel buildings, and they're a manufacturer, not a broker or middleman. They're dedicated to making your building experience seamless and easy. And now it's easier than ever for the public to buy a steel building direct from a manufacturer. So, how easy is Armstrong Steel's direct buy process, and how does it work? Well, first, you decide on a size. Next, you and Armstrong customize your design to meet your needs. And that's where your Armstrong project manager comes in. They have years of steel building experience that will save you time and money. They'll help you save money on doors, windows, insulation, and more. Armstrong Steel offers the support of professional project managers at no additional cost, and their experience makes a huge difference when it comes to your project's budget. See, you get to take full advantage of their expertise and stay in complete control of your project's budget, timelines, and vision. Armstrong may pay your project manager's salary, but during the course of your project, they work for you. Armstrong's in-house engineering and design department is right here in America, which is more than can be said for a lot of brokers and middlemen. If you can think it, our engineers can design it. And changes are quick and easy too, because your project manager works directly with the in-house detailers, draftsmen, and engineers. After you've approved your final design, it's time to schedule it for fabrication in the manufacturing facility. Now, relax, grab a cold one, and sit back as Armstrong prepares your building for delivery. Finally, you'll make arrangements to prep your job site for the delivery truck. It really is that easy when you choose Armstrong Steel. Call now for a no-obligation price quote today, and let's get started.